and Mary Gray, they are twa bonny lasses. They make it a bar on yom and bread, and eat it all with rashes. For Bessie Bell I load you streen, and thought I ne'er could order. A Mary Gray's twa walking, they got my fancy footer. Bessie's hair's like Allen tap, she smiles like a me morning. When Phoebus stars with Thetis lap, the hills with rays adorning. White is her neck, soft is her hand, her waist and feet full gently. With ilka grace she can command, her lips, oh wow, they're dainty. Glances, she's icy clean, red up and broad. She kills whene'er she dances, like as a kid with wit at will. She blooming tight and tall is, and eyes her rare, so graceful still. Oh Jove, she's like thy palace. Dear Bessie Bell and Mary Gray, anche se presas, or fancies gee between you two, ye are sick bonny lasses. With me for me the gun get till by law we're stinted, then I'll do cut and tack my face, and be within contented.